Alright, today we're looking at a certified 2014 Honda CRV EXL. It's mountain air in color. It's got 70,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. It is equipped with the roof rack and sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. All right, everything's in good shape there. Make our way down the passenger side. All right, once again, it's a 2014 certified, 70,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the beige brown door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, got your ECON button here. Got the beige leather seats. It's a power driver seat. Driver seat's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof there. Alright, got the center console here. The two keyless entry key fobs. It's going to have your heated seats right there with another power supply. Okay. And this opens up here. Get you some storage in there. We've also got an auxiliary USB and power outlet right in there. Okay, passenger seat looks good. Leather's in good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls right there. AM, FM, CD player. Okay, and you got your radio display and backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls here. Bluetooth right back here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 70,389 miles. Alright, now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the display screen. Alright, it's going to have your time, coordinates. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. It's going to be used right there on the same screen. Let me dull that down just a little bit. It's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. And once again, got your CD player right here, AM, FM radio, and then your dual climate controls. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels look good here. Back seat carpet's in really good shape, no staining down there. And then the back seat leather's in really good shape. No ripping or tearing or anything, just a small indentation back here in this leather, probably from a car seat or something. But overall it's in really good shape. It's not torn, frayed, or ripped. Got the center console that comes down with the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and to be a 2014 with 70,000 miles, this thing is in fantastic shape. Exterior's good, interior's good. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Got the nice cargo net right here. Go ahead and lift this up. Alright, got your spare tire and jack under there. Alright, and with these Civics, it's got a handle here and a handle here. Alright, you simply pull the handle. The seats are going to come right down. You can see just how much it opens it up back here. Got a ton of space back here. Alright. The seats are very light, but they're very durable. You simply lift them, click them back into place like so. Alright. Just like that, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in great shape. Tires are still good. Got plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2014. It's got 70,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in fantastic condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.